I absolutely think that outside topics, political topics, will play no role in the 2024 Asian Cup. I think everybody realized during the World Cup that it was just the wrong place to kind of bring these topics up. It was a football tournament, and it was one of the best tournaments ever in.
Jurgen Klinsmann, South Korea manager, speaks here on his plan of the South Korea national team in 2026 in the World Cup. Of course, he used to say that now he is just preparing the team, he is just preparing the projects and the plans towards such a great competition. Of course, Jurgen Klinsmann is just one among of the high-profile coach, one among of the person to whom he has the greater history in the, of course, football. And in fact, Jurgen Klinsmann says South Korea national team will just win the World Cup in 2026, and that's what he wants, and that's what the South Korean wants. And in fact, it's the time now to think about Asian Cup 2023. Of course, Jurgen Klinsmann says South Korea is just now fighting for the Asian Cup of the 2023, and of course they have been struggling and fighting for that cup. In fact, Jurgen Klinsmann says he is just in need of many trophies, and he